Hey guys, this is Yogish. Today we learn how to install Python in your PC. First of all, check if Python is already installed in your PC. For that, open command prompt, search for command prompt, then type Python here. If it shows like this, you are not installed Python in your PC. To install Python, open Google Chrome, search for Python, then you see download is here. Click on this, then download Python 3.8.5. Okay, after downloading this, open this PC, then downloads C for Python 3.8.5.exe, then add Python 3.8 to path. Click on this, then install now. It may take some time. After the task is successful, setup is successful, close the window. Again open command prompt, then type Python. Okay, see there, now Python is installed. Okay, in next class we learn what's the use of Python, where Python is actually used, what's the use of Python in real world. You guys have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share.